If you suspect that your WhatsApp account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. If you are logged out or unable to access your account, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Verify your phone number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Check your SMS for the verification code sent by WhatsApp. Enter this code in the app to verify your identity and regain access to your account. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Once you regain access, go to Settings Account Two-Step Verification. Enable this feature to add an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a PIN when registering your phone number. Step 5. Review account activity. After securing your account, review your chat history and settings for any unauthorized changes. If you notice anything suspicious, consider contacting WhatsApp support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can regain access to your WhatsApp account and enhance its security to prevent future issues. Stay vigilant and ensure your account remains safe.